Hello everyone, this is Pradeep from Turn. Thank you all for joining me today. I am very excited to introduce our new features, promotions. Our team has been working diligently to bring you a robust, flexible way of creating and managing various kind of discounts and special offers. We believe this enhancement will help you to delight your customers, increase your store's footfall, and boost your overall sales. Let's dive in. To start promotion functionality, first we have to go to the setting. On setting, we can set promotion or select from here. So as you can see, we have some promotion already there in the list. To create a new one, please click on plus icon. We have two type of promotion, discount and cashback. Like similarly, discount is directly applied to the customer and cashback mean when we apply the cashback promotion, it reverts the amount to the customer wallet. Now we are creating a discount promotion. Create on it, click on it, select store, application apply. We have the functionality to set the promotion for all customers, or we can select promotion for a specific user. Here we select all users. Coupon name flat 20. Assign date. Let's suppose we want to give this promotion on Wednesday only, Thursday only, or even we can select all days. Here we select all days. Transaction type. Here we can select promotion type, which means you want to give a promotion on percentage basis or an amount basis. Today we are going with percentage basis. Coupon value 50. Minimum order value. Minimum order value, basically this is a very good functionality for operator who can set minimum redemption value for this promotion. So right now we didn't have any minimum order value, we put it at 0. Maximum value of discount. Maximum value of discount means if a percentage amount which goes above the coupon value, we can restrict the amount. So we set it here 50. Expiry date, like when you want to expire this coupon. So like we want to expire this coupon on April 30. So select from here. Default yes no. Default yes no means it automatically apply while you are creating an order for that customer, or you have to select. We have to select that coupon. So we select here no. Max time usage. Max time usage means a single customer how many times use this coupon. So we are just giving for 5 times. So type here 5. Here is description. Applicable for. The particular promotion is only for drop off or pickup and delivery. Here we select drop off. Assign services. Assign services means you want to select this particular coupon for a specific service. Let's suppose we want to give this particular discount for comforter only or wash and fold. So we can select it, or we can just give another service as well, or we can select all. Here you can upload image and create. As you can see, our promo coupon is created successfully. Now we are going to create a promo for pickup and delivery, just like we did for drop off. Click on plus icon, select create and discount, click on create discount, select store, application apply all user, flat 10, select all, transaction type percentage 20, minimum order value 0, maximum value of discount 50, expiry date 23rd April, default no, max time usage 6. Here you can select pickup and delivery. For pickup and delivery promo coupon, assign services, select all, upload image here, create. Let's see, our pickup and delivery promo also created. Now we use this coupon on our business admin or our customer app. First of all, we create drop off promo coupon from our business app. So click on new order, select customer, continue, select item, add to order. As you can see, here is our promo coupon. Apply it from here. You can select or unselect it both from here. Now we are selecting it and charge later. Now go to our invoice from here. You can check it here. Now we are going to our customer app to use our pickup and delivery coupon. So click on our business app, request pickup. Let's start. Select item from here. Proceed. Select pickup date time and delivery date time. Next. Now you can see here is our pickup delivery promo coupon. Apply it from here. You can see it is applied. Now proceed. To check it, we will go on our order detail. View detail. Here you can see it is applied. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in to learn about our new promotion feature. We are excited for you to try these new options and get creative with your discount and coupon. If you have any question, feel free to reach out our support team or visit the Turns Help Center for detailed documentation and step-by-step guides. We can't wait to see how you use these tools to bring you more customers through your doors. Thanks again. Happy promoting.